Alright, so this is the gimbal for the most of the action cameras. All of the GoPro version, but Session Series, AE camera, ECam 4, you can also use Sony RX0 with a modernized adapter. However, in our case, we're going to use Hero 4 Silver Edition as an example. Alright, now I want you to take a look at the soft plastic bag, which is designed very well, looks quite portable. We also have some extra screws here in case you lose them in the future. We have USB Type-C cord to charge your phone using the gimbal, and we have a usual USB cord to charge the gimbal itself. Don't forget to insert the battery before you start using the gimbal. By the way, this is 26,650 mAh battery with an excellent result of 12 hours, which is an outstanding stuff for a gimbal. Guys, don't forget to balance your gimbal before you use it. All you have to do is to loosen the ring here and turn it left or right unless you catch the balance, just like that. When you set your camera like that, the image becomes inverted, which is a minor issue. What's more, you're losing the access to the settings button, which is fine if you have the silver version because of the touch display here. If not, you'll have to think of the settings beforehand. Otherwise, you have to unset your camera, change the settings, and then set it again. You can absolutely place your camera like that, and in this case, you still have some space to grab the button, but I don't really like the way it looks like. There is one more way to set your camera, which is this way. However, in this case, you're losing one of the most convenient features, which is charging your camera using the gimbal because of the non-access to the ports here. G6 has quite simple but attractive design. It has display now, which is really convenient to use. It has joystick here, mode button, which is also power on, power off button, and a shutter button here. There is a setting button on the right side, which is only available if you pair the gimbal with your phone and the camera. Micro USB port here, two buttons on the back, which are horizontal adjustment and trigger buttons. The list allows to switch in between panning mode and lock mode. There are two mounts in this version. One of them is here, and one of them is over here. Finally, you can attach the tripod to the gimbal. Congratulations, Feiyu tech. Okay, let me now introduce you some basics of what this gimbal can. One tab is switching in between panning mode, which is HF, and lock mode, which is LK. Two tabs is full photo mode, which is AF, while three tabs is selfie mode. There is also an auto rotation mode, 4 tabs. When you set start position, tap once, set your finish position, tap once, and it moves automatically towards the start position. If you want to connect your gimbal and your camera together, all you have to do is to download the Feiyu app, pair it with your phone, and after you can pair your camera and your gimbal together, and you're good to go with the shutter and mode buttons.
3 hours later.